Okay, so I just got my sign display from Amazon. This is the box that it came in, and I have taken everything out. It looks like it's gonna be pretty simple. It came in bubble wrap. It looks like it's gonna be pretty simple to put up. It really only had 3 things that came in the box. This screws, I guess the little thing is called an Allen wrench that's in there, and this. So I am about to put it up, and we will see. We will see how easy it is to put up. So I don't know how to turn my phone around while I'm recording. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this, and then I'll combine the videos together, showing me putting it up. Okay, so I'm back. Okay, so this is the first piece. It did not come with any instructions, so I'm just going by what I think. So I'm turning it upside down. These ends have holes in them, so that is why I'm turning it upside down, because I'm assuming this is the base. I'm going to go ahead and open the screws with the Allen wrench, and there's 2 screws. Okay, so it's a teeny Allen wrench and these 2 screws. And then this. So I'm assuming, because this has a cushion on this side, if you can see, I'm taking the metal side without the cushion, and I'm going to place it at the bottom and place the screws. Like I said, I am just going by what I think and how I think it should go, because there's no instructions. I'm taking the Allen wrench. So the Allen wrench is right here. And you see how I have it. So this is how I have the Allen wrench. I'm sorry I kept dropping the phone. But I'm going to go ahead and maybe you can see it while I'm doing it. Gonna hold it a particular way and go ahead and screw that in a tad bit and put the screw in this one. I'm trying to get it even so I don't break the threads. And you know what? So it can be even. And I know you probably can't see what I'm doing now. I don't have any helpers, but gonna go ahead and, yeah, standing it up is gonna be your best bet and easier to work with. Yeah, a whole lot easier. So while you're doing yours, make sure you stand it up. If not, you may have some issues trying to screw it in. And I'm redoing my screws because I have them kind of slanted going in sideways, so I'm not able to tighten them as well as I'd like. So that's why I'm redoing it. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing because my camera is sitting so low. Okay. So you have to make sure the hole is even to get the second screw in, or it's not gonna go in. And I didn't have it even at first. Okay, so there it is. Okay, so that one went in perfectly. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the first one. Make sure it's good and secure and in correctly. Okay, and that's it. So just 2 screws. That's it. And I am turning it downwards. Okay, so this is the bottom. This is where I guess it's just the stand part. Okay, but this is the extension. You can move it up or down. These are the knobs to tighten it up, to keep it from moving, but you have to do both of them. Let's see. Yeah, so it doesn't move when you tighten them up. And this one is kind of crooked, so I'm gonna have to take it out and put it back, but they already had those in. But this is the stand, and it has some weight to it, so a little poster is not gonna knock it down or make it fall over. If someone ran by it and pushed it over, that would be a different thing. But it's pretty sturdy. And also I like, you can basically put a huge poster in here because it goes up pretty high. I'm about 5'4" and some change, and it is going super high. So taller than me. So it can take a really big poster. So this is for commercial use. And you can put whatever you want in there, however big. To hold it to broadcast your business. And that's it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll put the purchasing link in the bio and how much I paid for it. And also it came in 2 days, I want to say. I had Amazon Prime, so I want to say I got it within 2 days. So it's pretty quick and it's super easy to put up. Another thing I didn't show you on the first video or the beginning of the video is if you unscrew the bottom portion, it's going to allow this to come up and down, and you just tighten it, And that way, and I'm sorry, I was watching Judge Lauren Lakes. You tighten it on both sides, and this will allow you to put up a shorter poster or make it fit to the length that you want it. So it was all the way down at the beginning. Then you can take it up and put the poster in there. I haven't gotten my poster made yet, so once I get my poster made, well, I can kind of show you doing this. So this is a security sign, and it's not, you know, a poster, but this is just an example. And I probably need to take the bottom up more. Yeah, that's what I need to do. I need to take the bottom up more. Okay. Give me just a second. And I just want you guys to kind of see how it works. Just when you turn the opposite way. And you can see it doesn't slide down. And I don't. And see, there it is.